Honor has announced the launch date for its Magic 7 series smartphones. The first, scheduled for October 23rd, will unveil macOS 9.0, the firm's upcoming operating system based on Android 15. The teaser poster accompanying the announcement hints at an AI-centric focus for macOS 9.0, with the tagline "Witness the magic of AI." And Magic 7 series launch on October 30th. The Magic 7 series is likely to include two models, Honor Magic 7 and Honor Magic 7 Pro. This is the first look Honor Magic 7 Pro render, and it's come in two color. The Magic 7 series powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. Both models are expected to offer OLED displays. The Pro version is likely to have a higher resolution 2K display, while the standard model will have a 1.5K resolution. Both the Magic 7 and Magic 7 Pro will have a triple camera setup on the rear. A 50-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 200-megapixel telephoto camera. The phones are likely to share features like IP68/69 water resistance. It may house a silicon battery of around 6,000 mAh capacity. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.